Welcome to the Diary of Anna.
Yes.
Welcome back to another video. This is Diary of Anna, and today one of my really good friends from Denmark called Michael is gonna come here to Tokyo, and yeah, I'm gonna go pick him up at the station, so follow me for that. So I'm at the station now and I'm waiting for Michael to come out, but apparently he took the wrong train, so I'm not quite sure how long it'll take.
Hello guys, my name is Thomas.
Excuse me?
My profession is to go around and test the traffic cones.
This is one of my closest friends, Michael.
Thomas,
First,
the cone inspector.
Thomas, the cone inspector. Oh, why don't you go and do your job?
Oh, okay.
Nah.
So you can see here, this type of cone is called the triangular rounded shaped cone, because these are cheaper to produce, and you can see that it's made of soft materials when you squeeze it. Yeah, it gives in. We also get the harder ones because this is called TPU. So TPU is good in scratch resistant and it's cheap to materialize and it's rather clean. So here's your cones. I'll rate this cone. This cone I'll rate 4 out of 10.
Quick disclaimer: Michael, he likes to lie a lot for some reason. So I asked Michael, or Thomas, whatever you want to call yourself. Nils. Okay, I asked this guy to bring me a bunch of stuff from Denmark. So let's do a quick haul. I got a beauty blender. Pålæg chocolate. We put this on bread in Denmark.
And then I got Tipo 00 hvedemel, the biggest I could find from the best one. Amo. And also romel. High fiber. Sweet berry mostly.
Guys!
Black bread?
Yeah! And how much was this?
50.
Okay, that's not even cheap. But it's because I have a vlog on here where I went to Hiro in Tokyo to buy rye bread, and that was like over double the price of this one and probably half as good. But amazing. I have food to eat, guys. Thank you for feeding me. What? He's crazy. Anyways, shall we go and eat soon? So I brought Michael to Tsujita. So do you know how to use this?
No.
Basically, you look at what do you want. This one. So, you get your ticket.
特製つけ麺とチャーシューつけ麺です。
はい、お願いします。
こちらお手洗い席ご利用ください。はい。
So this is the Tsukemen. Tsukemen. Itadakimasu. Yeah. Okay, it's around 12 p.m. It must be, like lunchtime or so, noon, and we are in Tokyo Tower. I'm here with Michael, or Thomas, or Nils, or whatever you want to call him, and I'm here with Maxi. Take this one. Then we just order from here. Hi. Great.
Okay.
Come here, then.
So we are on our way to get some matcha now. We finished eating and now we just need something refreshing. Then we will shop around a little bit in Ginza.
See? Oui.
Ah, hi. Yeah. So we're gonna just walk around a little bit in Shinjuku first, and then afterwards we will go eat with some friends at an izakaya.
Det var solskin før.
Guys, it's raining and thundering like crazy.
Guys, let's go get a free shower. Please. Free shower.
Maxi wants to get a shower in here.
Free shower.
are we, guys?
Very nice. Free shower.
You got your shower.
Yes. Towel happy.
We came to the izakaya safely. Oh my days, that was a fight. Kanpai! We went into karaoke. Maneki neko.
I saw the life inside.
We are at a ramen place. How are we today? As you can tell, really well. We are in Shibuya, and Maxi, he needs some glasses because apparently he cannot see. Wow, who is that? That guy's so cool. Oh my god. Today I will be conducting an interview with Mr. Rong over here, and you won several math contests, did you not?
Yes, sir. Good mathematics. 我要教他怎么做数学。
哦，你也教我怎么做数学。
她是个女的，所以她不懂。We're feeling a little classy with our wooden wine glasses, so cheers! Maxi got his glasses. Yes.
Okay, we have the 10 yen coin. How is it?
Poisson out of baguette.
So we wanted to get away from Shibuya for a little bit, and now we're walking to Meiji Jingu Shrine. It is about time for dinner. We are on our way to Shibuya's Yokocho. So we're gonna go and see if we can find something nice and local kind of there. Guys, we got our tomato salad. On the picture, it was filled with tomatoes all the way around, and this is what we got. This is maybe one tomato at most. Okay, the rest of the food came. It's a small udon. Guys, I don't recommend coming to Shibuya's Yokocho to eat. The food is not that good. The noodles, the udon, it's the first time in Japan I had it in this state. It's like overcooked. It doesn't have enough flavor. We couldn't even finish it. It's just bland, honestly. Bland and overcooked.
Generational dishonor.
So eat other places than Yokocho here in Shibuya, please. Caught a cold, but we're gonna bake some buns, some bread. So let's do that. Before, after. gonna play Catan. And Maxi, he is top 10 player in Denmark. He's #1 player in Denmark online, I think, right? So we will see.
Thank you guys so much for watching this time. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you in the next video. Bye!